Welcome to Education and Entertainment channel with MGK. So, just now I am going to discuss with you model answers of JNV entrance test for 6th standard for the academic year 2021-22. Just look at this brief explanation. So, it include 80 questions, 100 marks. So, for first section mental ability test, it include 1 to 40 questions and it has 50 marks. For arithmetic test section 2, from 41 to 60 questions, 60 serial number, totally 20 questions and it has 25 marks. For language test section 3, from 61 to 80 questions, next its total questions are 20 questions. So in this test it includes 80 questions for 100 marks. Okay, next shall we move with the mental ability test. It includes totally 10 parts. In first part, just we are looking at is in first part once mental ability test include 10 parts totally. In first part, just look at the directions. In question number 1 to 4, 4 figures A, B, C and D have been given in each question. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar some way and 1 figure is different. So select the figure which is different. So what we have to do here, we find out the one different figure among these 4 figures. Just look at the first question. That's in option A TIC, option B CTI, option C TEC, option D ITC. So in 4 boxes, which box is not containing these 3 letters, that's a different figure, and it is a TIC, CTI, ITC. So these 3 figures containing including 3 letters, that is TIC. So this option C is not including ITC. So that's why option C is the right answer. Next, look at the second question. So in figure 4, in this figure, 4 corner square, in this square, so at the 4 corners 3 circles are there and also 1 triangle is there. So just observe at the triangle how it's moving. So it's moving in anti-clockwise. So just look at this and coming on this side and then this side. When it coming at this that side, so what we are observing, in all the figures the triangle position is same, but in this figure the position of the triangle is reversed. So that's why the option D is the different figure. And now look at the third question. In these 4 circles, they are keeping 4 alphabetical English letters, that's PQRS. Just one thing is that how these letters are moving, whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. So just look at in this figure Q is here and this figure Q is here, and by observing all the 4 figures, just we conclude that in this figure the Q is moving anti-clockwise and then coming at this side. After moving anti-clockwise in 90 degree, and then it came in this side. Next further it moves 90 degree, then it came this side. So these figures in these circles, all the letters are moving in 90 degree in anti-clockwise, but in this figure the letters doesn't move. That's why this figure is the right answer. Next, fourth question is that's all the squares are including 4 sub shapes, but it has same numbers. It includes 3 circles, but in this B option it has 4 and it has 4. Okay, and for C option, in this plus symbols are 4 and here is 3, and for the fourth option here is 2 squares are there and here at the top of the corner 2 squares are there. So in all the 3 figures 1, 2, 3, the shapes in the inside the squares are same, but number of plus symbols in C section it is not same. So the C option is the right answer. Next we will go through part second, what it includes. In question number 5 to 8, a question figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figures are marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same question figure and darken the circle OM shade. Okay, it's a very simple. The question figure is here. We have to identify or find out the same figure among these 4 figures. Among these figures, 4 figures, we have to identify this figure. Okay, so I am going to directly tick the correct answer. That is the right answer is option C. So next we will go through 6th question. Then we are also finding the same figure in the option C. I think there is no need to explanation more because it's a very short time and also it's very quite easy. So just observe this figure and we have to find out the same figure in this 4th figure. Okay, and A is different from this figure because it includes in between plus 4 plus, but this is also not tally because it's not similar, and it is exactly similar. So option is C is the correct answer. Then 8th question is that's the question figure is it is a star. At the one side of the edge star is darken black. Okay, and we have to find out this type of star among these 4 figures. So that is nothing but option D. Next question is part 3. In question numbers 9 to 12, there is a question figure on the left side, a part of which is missing. Observe the answers A, B, C and D on the right side. Find out the answer figure which without changing direction. It is important. Fits in the missing part of the figure. Complete the figure. So it is very easy. The question figure containing incomplete figure. So among these 4 figures, which figure is complete? This incomplete figure we have to find out. So just I am going to click directly answer. That's the 9th question. Correct answer is option D. Next for 10th question, correct answer is option C. It is not necessary to explain more. For 11th question, its answer nothing but B. For 12th question, its answer B. Next part 4, what it includes. In question number 13 to 16, there are 3 question figures on the left side and the space for the 4th figure is left blank. The question figures are in a series. It is very important. In a series, find out one figure from among the answer figures given on the right side which occupies the blank space for 4th figure on the left side and complete the series. So it is nothing but we have to complete this series. So just by observing the question figures and which figure is completing this figure series by among these 4 figures. Option answer figures are 4 and here is question figures are 3. One figure is missing and which figure is tally similar or complete the series. Just look at this. This is a right angle. When it turns anti-clockwise, then it get like this. Next it turns like this. When it turns anti-clockwise like this, so which is the correct figure is? It is nothing but option C is the right answer. So for 14th question, just we have to observe which one is completing this series. It is nothing but option B. So how we should find out this one? It is quite easy. We should, among three shapes, we should follow any one shape, then we will get the answer. And next 15th question is, here is arrow, single arrow, and here is one arrow and reversed matchbox. And next one is like this, one arrow upwards and one downward spin and one downward arrow, and next will be upward pin. That's nothing but option B. So it's also very quite easy. It's moving with the this figure is moving in anti-clockwise and also by movingly simultaneously it adding another one shape. That's nothing but this circle included shape. Then the figure should be containing like this. I think it's a option B is the right answer. So in part 5, in question number 17 to 20, there are two sets of question figures each. The second set has an interrogation mark. There exists a relationship between first two question figures. Similar relation should be exist between the third and the fourth question figure. Select one figure, select one of the answer figures which replace the mark of interrogation. It's very quite easy. So here one figure is given and the similar figure is taken from among these four answer figures. So just look at this. Here is a star mark figure is there. So next proportion to this figure is how it is identified. Just it has taken from in this figure like this. So it is nothing but hexagon. In the same way, in this triangle, the internal shaped picture is nothing but reversed triangle. That's option B is the right answer. Next, just look at the 18th question. It is also very quite easy. It is nothing but option C. How it is? The two lines are adjusted to coincident each other, and next circles are there. They were put at the circles, and same way in the squares, the two lines are reversed to perpendicular, and then it will be the answer is the C is the correct answer. Next we will move through the 19th question. That's it is nothing but anti-clockwise direction. So this figure is when it move with anti-clockwise, then we will get like this. In the same way, when this figure will be moving in anti-clockwise direction, then we will get the figure like C, option C. So next question is 20 question. B is proportion to like this and E is proportion to, it is nothing but option A, E, and its mirror image is E. Next, in part 6 of the mentality, in question number 21 to 24, one part of the geometrical figure, that's triangle, square, circle, is on the left side as question figure, and the other one is among the four answer figures A, B, C and D on the right side. Find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure darkened in the circle. Okay. So what we have to do, just here is they have given the question figure. So among these four figures, which figure is completing this question figure? Okay. Just we have to make complete circle. So what we are getting like this shape, where we are observing this shape, that's the right answer. That's nothing but option B is the right answer. So in the similar way, we are going to for 22nd question. That's also very easy, and we are getting like shape like this. That's also question number B. It is a very quite easy questions. And 23rd question, that's a triangle and they removed from this side. So after we completing this type of figure, we will get this type shape. That's nothing but option C. Next, just it complete the square, you will get a shape as wait, just so you will get like this. So this type figure is an option D. That's the right answer. In mental ability part 7, including questions 25 to 28, there is a question figure and it's nothing but a mirror image of the given figure. It's nothing but a mirror image of the given figure. Mirror image means, so this figure, how it looks in the mirror. That's the image of the figure in the mirror. So if you kept mirror in this side, how it's showing or displaying, it's nothing but B and D bend will be displaying in the image like B and D bend, like option A. That's nothing but reversed. Right side will be reversed in left side and left side will be appearing in right side. So this is the very simple. If you kept here mirror, how it observed, the right side will be appearing left. That's nothing but option C. 27 is nothing but option A, and 28th question is nothing but option D. So next we will move part 8 in the mental ability. In question numbers 29 to 32, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown in the question figures on the left side, and 4 answer figures are marked. A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which indicates how the paper will appear when opened, unfolded. Indicate your answer. Okay, it's very quite easy. Just think about it. It is not clearing you because you are not able to clear the concept, understood the complex concept, because it's a practical work. When you fold a paper piece in the square shape and fold like this and cut like this, so which figure you are getting after unfolding this paper? That's nothing but option C. So in the same way I am going to tell the answers only because it is a practical work. So for 30th questions answer is C, for 31st question answer is B, and 32nd question answer is A. So it is about part 8. Now we will go through part 9 in mental ability, that include 33 question numbers to 36 question figure is not it is given on the left side and 4 answer figures are in the marked in the right side. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cut out pieces. So it's very important in the question figure. So here is a question figure. They have already cutted this figure. By jointing these pieces, how will we get the figure in among these 4 figures? So I am going to directly answer, that 33. These pieces of figures are, when joined we will get the figure like this. That's option B. And 34th question, that's option A. And 35th question, that's nothing but option A. 36th question, that's also nothing but option A. If you want to need a explanation, just I am going to give briefly. So this is one shape and this is another shape. Next 2 triangles remains. That's nothing but, here is one triangle and here is another. So that's why option A is the right answer. And in mental ability part 10, that's the last questions. 4 questions remains in mental ability. What it include? These questions are including hidden, embedded. So what we have to choose here? They have given here one shape. This shape figure is, in which figure it include? Hidden figure. What we call the title? Hidden figure. We have to find out the hidden figure of the following shapes. Among these 4 shapes, this shape is in which image it is hidden? So that's nothing but this V is hidden in this figure. So that's nothing but question option A is the right answer. Next I am going to directly answer. So this hidden figure is, it is nothing but question A, option A. Next this includes in this figure, just I'm going to concept clear. Okay, clear the concept. Just it's a option B. Next, for 14th and last question of the mental ability. So in this figure it includes that type of shape. So right. So option A is the right answer. This is all about mental ability. In the next video we will see about thank you very much one and all. In the next video it include mathematics, arithmetic and also language test. So we will see in next video. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe, like and share for update videos. Press the bell button. Thank you.